Yo, chat, the reason that we were gone for so long from the stream is because it's literally a snowstorm right now. So I figured, let me make my first vlog in a snowstorm. Hey, we had a W, I ain't gonna lie. We still got a couple minutes left, or 1 hour left in the Twitch stream. Make sure y'all follow my Twitch right here. I'll put it right there. Literally, you can't even miss it. It's so big. It's right here. But look, bruh. What? We just chilling in the snow.
No, stop.
No. Yeah, I like Cody. Right, chilling.
Wait! Red light! Red light! Wait, red light. Wait, stop. These shoes I can't fit. Stop. Wait. Can I go? Real quick.
Hey, chat. It's not that cold, you know.
Jenny, I am in shorts.
Chat, I just wanted to let you know
Show them, bro.
that my boy in shorts right here. And that it's a big snowstorm right now. You know, the road is covered in snow. I just wanted to let y'all know that while we was gone from stream for so long. I'm about to go inside. Whatchamacallit, this video is not edited. Yo, Tramp! Tramp! Trampoline. Come here. Huh? Dad, look at the trampoline. Oh my God. Look at the freaking trampoline, Chad. Oh! Chad! Bruh. Oh, Chad, look at the trampoline. Yo, you can't even make this up. Yo, Chad.
It went in my shoe.